Advertising is changing, and it's changing fast. The digital landscape is in constant flux, demanding that marketers stay ahead of the curve. Old methods aren't enough anymore. Relying solely on traditional approaches can leave you struggling to connect with today's savvy consumers. Consumers want personalized content. They expect brands to understand their needs and preferences. Generic messaging simply won't cut it, and that's where AdCreative AI comes in. It's designed to bridge the gap between consumer expectations and marketing capabilities. This tool is transforming campaigns, offering a new level of efficiency and effectiveness. By generating compelling visuals that capture attention and drive engagement, and copy, it crafts messages that resonate with your target audience, ensuring your brand's voice is heard. Digital platforms are crowded, making it harder than ever to stand out from the noise, making attention harder to grab. You need every advantage you can get to cut through the clutter. Marketers face pressure to constantly innovate and deliver exceptional results. To deliver consistent results, the demand for measurable ROI is higher than ever. AdCreative AI automates tedious creative work, streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity, freeing you to focus on strategy. It allows you to concentrate on the bigger picture and make informed decisions. It's about working smarter, leveraging technology to achieve more with less effort, not just harder. Efficiency is the key to success in today's fast-paced marketing environment. Businesses using AI are already seeing more ad variations, enabling them to test and optimize their campaigns more effectively, and faster testing. This rapid iteration leads to quicker insights and better results. This leads to better performing ads that resonate with your audience and drive conversions, and higher confidence in campaigns. Knowing your ads are optimized for success brings peace of mind. AI analyzes data to learn what resonates, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect manually. So your ads hit the mark more often. Precision targeting ensures your message reaches the right people at the right time. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how marketing is done. It's the future of advertising. Embrace it, or risk being left behind. Understanding its potential is the first step towards unlocking a new era of marketing success. Gives you a real edge. It allows you to outmaneuver your competitors and capture market share. Act now. Don't wait for your competitors to gain the upper hand, and you can leapfrog competitors. Be a leader, not a follower. This guide will show you the ins and outs of AdCreative AI, how to use AdCreative AI effectively. We'll provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. We'll cover everything from setup, ensuring you have a smooth and seamless onboarding experience, to using ad credits. We'll help you maximize your budget and get the most out of your investment. Let's unlock this technology together. We're here to support you every step of the way. Prepare to revolutionize your ad strategy. Get ready to see results you never thought possible. The future belongs to marketers who adapt. Those who embrace change will thrive in the new landscape. Are you ready to lead the change? The opportunity is yours for the taking. Let's dive in and explore the power of AdCreative AI. And see what's possible. The possibilities are endless. Your next breakthrough campaign starts here. Get ready to achieve unprecedented success. Embrace the new era, the era of AI-powered marketing. AI is your ally. Together you can achieve remarkable things. Let's get started. Your journey to marketing success begins now. How does AdCreative AI work? What's the secret sauce behind its ability to generate compelling and effective advertisements? It's not magic, but it's close. It's a sophisticated blend of algorithms and data analysis that empowers marketers to create impactful campaigns. It uses machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This machine learning model is trained on millions of successful ads. It analyzes countless examples of what works and what doesn't. The AI learns what visuals and copy drive action, identifying patterns and correlations that would be impossible for humans to detect manually. It generates images, headlines, body text, even short video clips. It's a complete creative suite powered by artificial intelligence. You provide one idea. AI gives you many creative options, exploring different angles and approaches to maximize impact. This is perfect for A/B testing, allowing you to quickly identify the most effective creative elements. And rapid iteration. You can continuously refine your ads based on real-world performance data. Some tools even predict which creatives will perform best, giving you a head start in your campaigns. The benefits? Speed and scale. AI creates ads in minutes, not days, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and other important tasks. You can produce hundreds of variations, impossible to do manually. This allows for extensive testing and optimization. Personalization is easier, boosting relevance and engagement. Deliver the right message to the right person. AI drafts compelling copy and suggests calls to action, optimizing for conversions and desired outcomes. Some tools edit or create video snippets for different audiences. Tailor your video content to resonate with specific demographics. Imagine multiple video ad versions, each tailored for unique interests. This level of personalization was previously unattainable. The AI understands context and nuance, making every ad feel relevant. No more generic one-size-fits-all advertising. This is the superpower you can harness. Gain a competitive edge in the crowded digital landscape. It's not just about static images anymore. Embrace the power of dynamic and engaging content. AdCreative AI is versatile and always learning. It adapts to changing trends and consumer preferences. Use it to make your ads smarter and more effective, drive better results and achieve your marketing goals. The right creative for the right person at the right time. That's the promise of AdCreative AI. A future where advertising is more personalized, effective, and efficient. Ready to unlock these superpowers? Let's see how you can put them to work. Let's explore the practical applications of AdCreative AI. Ready to dive in? Here's how to start with AdCreative AI. First, choose the right tool, compare features, pricing, and integrations. Look for user reviews and free trials to test options. Sign up, set up your profile, and connect your ad accounts. This lets the AI access performance data for smarter suggestions. Explore the dashboard and tutorials to get comfortable. Define clear campaign goals: traffic, sales, awareness, or leads. Your goals guide the AI's creative suggestions. Upload your brand assets, logos, colors, fonts, and any existing images or copy. The more info you provide, the better the AI performs. Describe your target audience and product benefits. Specify your preferred tone of voice. Let the AI generate creative options, review, tweak, and refine the suggestions. Remember, AI is your assistant, not a replacement. Your expertise shapes the final result. Start with a small, manageable campaign to learn the ropes. Test, analyze, and iterate as you go. The process gets easier and more powerful with practice. You're now ready to launch your first AI-powered campaign. So you've landed a $500 ad credit? That's fantastic news. It's an opportunity to really boost your marketing efforts and see what's possible. Here's how to make that credit count, especially when leveraging the power of AdCreative AI. We'll walk you through a strategic approach to ensure you get the most bang for your buck. Don't just spend it randomly, have a well-thought-out plan. Before you dive in, map out your goals and target audience. Allocate a portion of your credit for any AI tool fees that might be involved. Remember, these tools can significantly enhance your ad creation process. The majority of the credit should then go towards actual ad spend on platforms like Facebook. This is where your ads will be seen by potential customers. Or Google, depending on where your target audience spends their time online. Consider a mix of both to maximize your reach. Think of this as seed money to experiment and learn what resonates with your audience. Don't be afraid to try new things. Focus heavily on data collection, not just immediate sales. The insights you gather are invaluable for future campaigns. Run initial AI-generated ads as A/B tests. This will help you quickly identify which creatives perform best, see what works, what doesn't, and let the AI learn from the results. The more data you feed it, the smarter it becomes. This initial investment in testing and learning directly improves the performance of your future creatives. If your audience is diverse and spread across multiple platforms, consider spreading your budget accordingly. Test your AI-generated creatives on Instagram, LinkedIn, or wherever your target audience is most active. The key is to meet them where they are. Diligently track every dollar you spend and closely monitor your return on ad spend, ROAS. This is crucial for understanding what's working and what's not. Remember, even small wins and incremental improvements are valuable lessons that contribute to your overall marketing knowledge. Your $500 ad credit essentially fuels a learning curve that ultimately pays off in the long term with more effective and efficient advertising strategies. Use the credit to explore different ad formats, test various targeting options, and refine your overall marketing message. Don't expect every single ad to be a home run or a winner. Instead, focus on the valuable insights you gain from each campaign, regardless of its immediate success. The overarching goal is to develop smarter, more data-driven campaigns, not just to achieve quick, fleeting wins. Careful and consistent budget tracking will ensure that your ad credit goes further and that you're maximizing its potential. Each test, each iteration, brings you one step closer to creating high-performing ads that drive real results for your business. Make every single dollar count by engaging in strategic experimentation and taking calculated risks based on the data you've collected. Think of your ad credit as a launch pad, providing the initial momentum you need to accelerate your business growth. Use it wisely, learn from your experiences, and you'll undoubtedly see real, tangible results that contribute to your long-term success. So let's dive in and explore how to maximize your investment and optimize your advertising strategy for the best possible outcome. A/B testing is essential, and AdCreative AI makes it easy. AI generates multiple ad variations in minutes. Test different images, headlines, and calls to action. Your $500 ad credit funds these experiments. Allocate small amounts to each version, like $50 per test. Run short campaigns to gather meaningful data. Monitor key metrics, click-through conversion, engagement. Analyze which variation wins and why. Use those insights to refine your next batch. Each cycle makes your ads stronger. You're not just spending, you're investing in better results. Systematic testing builds winning campaigns. Let AI and your credit work together for smarter ads. Great ads need the right audience. AI makes targeting smarter. AI analyzes demographics, interests, and behaviors for deep insights. It finds patterns you might miss, suggesting creative angles for each segment. Use these insights to tailor visuals and copy for different groups. Test targeted ads with your $500 credit. Run campaigns for different segments. Higher relevance means better results and more efficient spending. AI helps you personalize at scale, making every dollar work harder. Imagine eco-conscious millennials seeing sustainability-focused ads, while professionals see time-saving benefits. This level of nuance boosts engagement. Your credit stretches further with intelligent targeting. Let AI guide your audience strategy for maximum impact. AdCreative AI isn't perfect, but challenges are manageable. Don't fear AI replacing creativity. It's your assistant, not your rival. You provide strategy and brand vision. AI helps execute. To maintain brand consistency, upload clear guidelines and review outputs. Human curation ensures your ads stay on brand. Sometimes AI generates odd results. Give feedback and refine your prompts. Treat it like training a new team member. Patience pays off. The more specific your input, the better the output. Start simple. Master one tool before expanding. Stay updated as AI evolves. Join communities and read industry news. Continuous learning is part of the journey. Don't get discouraged by early hiccups. Each iteration improves results. Embrace the process. AI gets better with your guidance. You're building a smarter, more creative workflow. You've learned how AdCreative AI can transform your advertising. Speed, scale, and personalization are now within reach. Use your $500 ad credit to experiment and learn. Focus on A/B testing and refining your targeting. Every campaign is a chance to improve. Embrace experimentation. AI works best with your guidance. Stay ahead by adopting new technology. Start exploring AdCreative AI tools. Many offer free trials. Use your credit strategically and begin testing now. The journey to better ad results starts today. The future of advertising is AI-powered. Unlock your creative potential and lead the way. Let's build your next breakthrough campaign together.